তো এখন বাজে রাত 3:30 আর আমার এখন কোনো কাজ নেই। তো ভাবলাম ছোট্ট একটা ভিডিও বানাই। So basically I just brought a Beretta M92 pistol. এটার একটা ছোট্ট রিভিউ দেই। So at first this one is barrel, there is magazine and এটা এখন সেফটি মোডে দেওয়া আছে। You can call it child lock also. আগে ম্যাগাজিনটা খুলে নিই, okay? So there is a button. If you just press it, you can get the magazine here. So I'll just keep it aside. এবার বেসিক কিছু বলি। First of all, আমি যদি চাইল্ড লকটা সরাই, if I remove it, then it's fully operational. Okay, then you can fire and stuff. And if you insert the magazine, though there is no bullet, so if you insert the magazine like this, and if you load it, then it's fully operational. Then you can fire, you can practice in shooting range and wherever you can. So at first, you have to put some gas on your magazine. So I'm using green gas. This is a green gas company. You can use other gases also, and you can use in all kind of magazines, like যে কোনো I guess যে কোনো ওয়েপনের ম্যাগাজিন এটা দেওয়া যাবে। Yeah, so I'm just inserting the gas on the magazine. Yeah, press it like this. There's a hole inside. You have to just press it harder. Then okay. So there's a gas inside. Now I'm just going to insert the magazine. Okay. So now it's fully operational. You wanna hear the sound? So that's the sound. Though there's no bullet inside here, but if you insert some bullet, then it's fully operational. So that's it.